Join me as I take on the challenge of completely transforming my health this year. Let's see if I can stick to it. This year, I made the conscious decision to take control of my health, and it's been a game changer. For me, it's not just about the number on the scale or the way I look in the mirror. It's about feeling energized, confident, and in control of my well-being. I've been on this journey for a while now, and I'm excited to share my experience with you. When it comes to prioritizing health, I think we've all been there, stuck in a cycle of good intentions and failed resolutions. We know we should be eating better, exercising more, and managing our stress, but it's easy to get derailed. Lack of motivation, misinformation, and unrealistic expectations can make it difficult to make lasting changes. And let's be real, sometimes it's hard to know where to start or what to believe. We're constantly bombarded with conflicting advice, fad diets, and quick fixes that promise overnight results. It's no wonder we get overwhelmed and give up. But the truth is, taking control of your health is not rocket science. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. It's about finding what works for you and committing to it, even when it gets tough. For many of us, the biggest obstacle is our own mindset. We get caught up in negative self-talk, self-doubt, and fear of failure. We tell ourselves we're not good enough, that we're not worthy of change, or that we're too far gone. But the truth is, we are capable of change, and it starts with a willingness to take that first step. When I started my health journey, I knew I needed to focus on 3 key areas: diet, exercise, and mental health. I began by making small changes to my diet, like cutting out processed foods and sugar, and incorporating more fruits and veggies. I also started exercising regularly, but not in a way that felt overwhelming or unsustainable. I started small, with short walks, and gradually increased my intensity and duration over time. One of the most significant changes I made was prioritizing my mental health. I started practicing mindfulness, meditation, and journaling to manage my stress and anxiety. I learned to listen to my body and honor its needs, rather than pushing myself to the point of burnout. I also made time for self-care, whether it was reading a book, taking a relaxing bath, or simply taking a nap. But the biggest turning point in my journey came when I realized that I was doing it all wrong. I was so focused on the destination, the number on the scale, the size of my clothes, that I forgot about the journey. I forgot to be kind to myself, to celebrate my small wins, and to acknowledge my progress. I was so caught up in trying to be perfect that I lost sight of what truly mattered: my health, my happiness, and my well-being. That realization was a game changer for me. I started to focus on progress, not perfection. I started to celebrate my small wins, no matter how insignificant they seemed. And I started to prioritize self-care, not as a luxury, but as a necessity. That's when things started to fall into place. I started to feel more energized, more confident, and more in control. The biggest lesson I've learned on this journey is that taking control of your health is not a one-time achievement, it's a continuous process. It's about making choices every day that nourish your body, mind, and spirit. It's about being kind to yourself, honoring your progress, and celebrating your small wins. And it's about remembering that you are capable of change, no matter what. If you're on a similar journey, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. What changes have you made to prioritize your health, and what's been the most challenging part for you? And if you're looking for more tips and inspiration, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be sharing some of my favorite healthy habits and routines. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.